How to open an IC Markets account. Hello everyone. Today, I will guide everyone on how to open an IC Markets account in the simplest and most accurate way. To open an IC Markets account, you access the following address, trading68.com/IC Markets. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open an IC Markets account. Let's get started. This is the interface after accessing IC Markets. To open an IC Markets account, you click Start Trading. IC Markets requires you to fill in your personal details including country of residence, first name, last name, email, and mobile. Please fill in the information in order. When you have completed all the information, click Continue. Next, choose account type. There are three types of accounts which are individual account, joint account, and corporate account. I choose individual account. Then, fill in the date of birth. Next, fill in your address. In the postal code section, you can search online for the postal code where you live, and fill it in here. This ID verification section is not required, I skip it. Go to the referral code section. If you do not have a referral code, enter the code 40304 here. Click Continue. Next step, trading account configuration. First, you choose trading platform. There are three trading platforms including MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, and CTrader. I choose MetaTrader 4. Choose account type. There are two types of accounts, standard account and raw spread account. Standard account is the most popular, suitable for all investors. Raw spread account is suitable for experienced investors. I choose standard account. Select account-based currency. I choose USD. Click Continue. This is all the personal information you have provided to IC Markets. If you want to change it, each section has this icon. You can click here to edit. When your information is correct, click Continue. This is Security Question and Answer section. Please select the question and answer below. Your answer will be kept confidential by IC Markets for verification purposes when needed. Below is the declaration. If you have read and agree with all of the above and wish to proceed with an account application, click here. Then, click Submit. Your application request submitted. To access your secure client area, please check your email for your login details and follow the prompts. Open a new tab to access your Gmail. This is the email that IC Markets sent me. If you cannot find the IC Markets email in the inbox, click on More. Then, click on the Spam section to check. Now, let's open the email IC Markets sent. Click on this link. You will be redirected to this page. In this section, you need to change your password. Here are some password requirements. Use from 8 to 15 characters, use both uppercase and lowercase letters, use a combination of numbers and English letters. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. You re-enter the password here. Then, click Continue. Your password has been successfully reset. To continue the account opening process, you click Login. You need to fill in the email and newly created password here. Then, click Login. Next, you need to complete the survey questions given by IC Markets. You can answer these questions quickly, because this part is not important and does not affect your future trading process. When you have completed all the information, click Submit. The next step is to verify the information. Click this button to continue. There are two verification steps, which are providing identification documents and providing address information. Click here to continue on computer. Or click here if you are using a mobile device. Here, if you are not a citizen or resident of the United States, click here. If you are, click here. Then, click Continue. In this section, you select type and issuing country of your identity document. If you want to change issuing country, click here. Select document type. You can choose driver's license, ID card, residence permit, or passport. I choose ID card. Click this button to continue. Here are some requirements when you upload photos. Please read carefully. If you want to continue on your mobile device, click here. Click here to upload a photo of the front of the document. Similarly, click here to upload a photo of the back of the document. After uploading the photo successfully, click Continue. Go to the Verify Residential Address section. Click here to select the type of document. I choose bank statement. Click here to upload documents. Then, click this button. You have successfully submitted the application to open an IC Markets account. IC Markets will review and send the results to your email. You can refer to the video tutorial how to download and use MT4 and MT5, which I have given in the description of this video. Thus, I have finished guiding you on how to open an IC Markets account. I wish you success in the account opening process. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos.